Welcome to our video on how to make this 3D part. First step, we will make front sketch following this path. In second sketch, we will make triangle sketch. In third step, we will add additive cylinder. In last step, we will remove material by subtractive cylinder. Let's start activity. Select Part Design Workbench. Click here to add a new document. Click here to add a new body. Create a sketch. Select XZ plane. Click OK. Turn on grid view. Adjust size. Turn off auto constraints. Select Polyline tool. Draw rough sketch. Make a closed loop. You can see degrees of freedom here. Constraints added by polyline. Line elements. Provide vertical constraint. Provide horizontal constraint. Check reduced degrees of freedom. Provide length. Planar degrees of freedom. Select coincident constraint. Sketch is now fully constrained. Close this sketch. Select Pad tool. Select Symmetry plane. Click OK. Select New Sketch. Select XZ plane and click OK. Select External Geometry tool. Project edges. They will not take part in sketch. You can see that sketch is empty. Select Polyline. Sketch is fully constrained. Close this sketch. Select Pad tool. Select Symmetry plane. (7 mm thick). Provide chamfer. Click OK. Do the same for this selected edge. Select Additive cylinder. Change radius and height. Click OK to add material. Select Subtractive cylinder to remove material. Change radius and height. Click OK to remove material. Select True Condition. Let's export in STL format and import the same file. Move part. Change body color. And there you have it. By following along and analyzing the isometric view, you've successfully recreated this part. Well done! Thank you for your time. Keep exploring, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of your creativity.